Hi everyone, and welcome back to H to the Third, your channel for hobbies, honest thoughts, and helpful tips. Today I'll be showing you how to remove a Hot Wheels from the blister in case you want to display your super treasure hunt, or you want to do wheel swaps and then put it back in the package without damaging the package. Today I will show you how to do that. You will need 100% acetone for this. You would also need 1/2 to 3/4 paintbrush. Alright, let's get started. So this is the area where you want to put the acetone, but on the back side, because there's where the glue is that is holding the blister to the card. And here I'm putting the acetone onto the card. And you want to do this pretty quick because it does dry really fast. Try to put as much to like moisten the card, but not too much to stain the cardboard. And just let it sit for a few seconds and then slowly like pull on the blister carefully, because you don't want to damage anything. And if it doesn't loosen up, just put a little more acetone on it. And then try it again. And then once it unsticks, then you can pull the car out, and as you can see, there's no damage to the card or the blister. And if you need to seal it back up, just use clear glue. And there you have it.